you noisy like that? I'm sure you want something. Can you pay? If you want treat, can you pay? Pay with your videos? With your speaking on videos? Heck yeah! Of course, you don't have to pay, Wolf. I know you see something. I know, Wolf. You see something. What did you see, Wolf? Yeah, I just bought a treat. Calm down. You know you will get it. What's going on? What's going on? You know, you need to sleep, Wolf. Go to sleep. A senior dog usually sleeps 14 hours a day, Wolf. No, you're still young, of course. Why are you giving me a side eye? Why are you giving me a side eye? What do you want, Wolf? So, how's your walkie? I know you just got back from walkie, you know. And I know one thing though, Wolf. You must be, come on, say it. Hungry, I know. Say it again. Say, I'm hungry. But you're gonna get only one treat, okay? It's a dental treat. Okay, boy? What's going on? Okay. Calm down. Calm down. What did you say? Do you want something? You know what? Usually food. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I know it's because Felix. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. So, how's your weight now? I have to check your weight first to make sure that your weight is still good, for you to have some treats. All right? Okay, well. What's your complaint now, Wolf? I thought you want to make me happy because yesterday was my birthday. What? I know you're very happy. But let's complain, please. Wolf. Okay? Let's complain. Okay. Oh, good boy, Wolf. What do you want, Wolf? Okay, food. I know. Wolf. Wolf. It's time for you to eat fruits. Okay? Okay, Wolf. Yeah. And I have fruits in my hand here. Eat it. Wolf. Remember? Wolf. Wolf. You know, it's not cool you yelling at me. Okay, leave Felix alone. Okay? Don't mind Felix, okay? He's here just like you. Okay, Wolf? Wolf? Okay, you're yelling at me. What do you want? Hey, sit. What's going on? What's going on? Huh? Don't be noisy. It's already late. Don't be noisy. Okay? Okay, keep it Wolf. Ow. You scratch me, Wolf. Wolf? What's going on, Wolf? Wolf, I start a new job today, so I'm gonna work. My work schedule is overnight, so you're not gonna see me at night, okay? So you're gonna be with Felix and of course Daddy Mike. Okay, boy? Just wanna tell you that. Okay? Be good at home. Hey, Wolf. Stop jumping around. What are you? Wolf. Okay. That's really loud. What did you say, Wolf? I know. You've been missing me at night, right? It's okay, Wolf. You know, somebody has to do it. You know, you are the prince of the house, so you don't need to have a job, Wolf. Okay, I have a little extra for you here. Okay, say thank you first. Thank you, Erin. Come on, say thank you, Erin. Here we go.